Hello and welcome to Payrun. This quick setup guide will help you configure your workspace and navigate through Payrun faster. Let's jump right in. First, choose the setup option that best fits your needs. If you select Start with Sample Data, this creates a demo organization with sample employees, attendance, payroll, leave requests, and other HR data so you can explore every feature without using your real company information. Once you're familiar with the platform, you can easily reset the demo data from settings and start fresh with your own organization. Or you can simply choose Setup Manually. This will guide you through the initial setup, starting with entering your work shift name, then configure your working hours and your weekly work schedule. Next, you can add your company departments to organize your team structure. In the third step, you can invite your employees by entering their email addresses, selecting a department, and add them to the list. Click Next to complete the process. Once the setup is complete, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can manage everything from one centralized HR platform. Now let's take a quick look at the main modules. Here's the attendance, where you can monitor employee attendance across your organization, track employee check-ins and check-outs, and view monthly summaries to ensure accurate attendance records and payroll processing. In the Leave section, you can easily monitor your employees' upcoming and previous leaves using the calendar view, review and manage employee leave requests, approve or decline them in just a few clicks, and access detailed leave summaries to monitor balances, leave history, and overall team availability. Here is the Workforce Manager. You can invite your employees. Click here to open the invitation form, fill all the employees' information, including assign any assets if required, then click Invite. Once employee accept the invitation from their mail, their profile will appear here. You can manage their activities from their profile, including timesheets, leave summary, leave records, salary, expense claims, pay slips, assigned assets, associated files, and complete activity history, all from one place. In this section, you can track your employees' salary reviews, track salary adjustments with ease. Streamline recruitment with hiring. Create a new job post. First, enter the job details. Next, design the application form layout by dragging and dropping the fields. Then, enable AI resume screening to automatically evaluate applications based on your requirements. After that, set up your hiring team and recruitment stages. And finally, review all the details and publish the job post to start receiving applications. Once your job post is live, candidates can begin applying immediately. You can view every applicant on the Kanban board, where each stage of your hiring pipeline is organized. In this section, you can view all the applicants at a glance. Here are projects. Projects provide a centralized workspace for collaboration among members of your team. Create projects by entering name and a unique project key, set access preference, and assign a project lead. Create a project where organize your team with their task. You can monitor their job task in every stage, collaborating efficiently from planning to completion. In the Finance, you can easily create and manage payroll for your employees. To create a payroll, first select your payroll type. Enter a payroll title, select the payroll period, choose the departments or individual employees to include, and add a note if needed. Click Save and Next. Review the employee payroll details and make any necessary adjustments. Once everything looks correct, click Next. Finally, review the payroll summary, verify all employees' salary details, and click Submit to process the payroll. The Expenses helps you manage and track employee expense claims in one place. You can view each claim, including expense amount, submission date, and approval status. Approve or decline them in just a few clicks. With Assets, manage company equipment efficiently, assign assets to your employees, and manage them easily. In the Reports system, you can view all the numbers across your entire organization. These insights help you identify trends, monitor performance, and make data-driven HR decisions. You can export the data from here. Finally, the Settings section gives you complete control over your workspace. Personalize your workspace from Settings. Here, you can update your organization profile by uploading your company logo, changing the app icon, choosing your brand color, and configuring other preferences like the default language, date and time format, week start day, and currency. You can also update your contact information to keep your workspace profile up to date. Let's take a look to other settings. Manage attendance and leave preferences, including attendance, leave, work shifts, holidays and off days, and custom work days. Set up employee settings such as employment status, departments, designations, hiring, and employee pulse. You can also manage projects, configure users and roles, set up payroll, assets, expenses, connect third-party integrations, review the activity log, and manage your plans and bills, including invoices and subscriptions. With these settings, you can fully customize Payrun to match your organization's structure, policies, and workflows. And that's it. Your Payrun workspace is now fully set up and ready to use. Start managing your HR operations with confidence. Thanks for watching. To explore each module in more detail and learn how to get the most out of every feature, be sure to check out our tutorial videos. We'll see you in the next one.